Home Diaries. Every house has a story.
We're the Kelleys.
And our house was supposed to be a parking lot.
We were looking into eventually retiring to Forsyth, and when we moved here, we heard all the controversy that had happened to the 3 homes over here.
A big box store was coming to town, and these houses were going to be torn down.
And they were slated to use all of this area for parking lot. And the townspeople got together.
They wanted these homes saved because they were part of the history.
The entire neighborhood is all over 100 years old. If we were going to lose the houses across the street, we were going to lose the character of the whole neighborhood.
To make a long story short, the houses were saved. Then the houses finally went on the market.
We were so thrilled when Percell and Veronica came along.
We had done about 40 or 50 houses in North Carolina, so we had a history of renovating.
These homes were not always in disrepair.
When I was a child here in Forsyth, I remember how beautiful they were.
Hey, now this was kind of scary.
No staircase.
There was no staircase when we first walked in. There were no doors, so we had to go on a mission to find doors. All of the wiring had been stolen out of the house. There was absolutely no electric, no plumbing. There was no mantle here at all.
No mantle.
It was just a bunch of bricks and mortar. It was just a mess.
We were thinking, oh, this is a nice palette. This is going to be wonderful for us to do. It didn't scare us. It didn't scare us.
A little bit. A lot of decisions had to be made, and colors and what to do.
He likes to decorate. He doesn't like my style of decorating because I like clutter.
And I'm not a clutter person.
I love clutter.
She likes rust.
I love rust and the shabby chic and all that kind of stuff.
This house has history. It has had its plight. Someone has loved this home enough to fight to keep it here. It still has its place in this lovely historic community. Basically, we put the neighborhood back the way it was. It's complete. The neighborhood is complete.